Kitchen cabinets need a little updating? You'll be amazed at the difference freshly painted cabinets can make. Follow along for a few simple tips and tricks to freshen up the space. Here's how. Before you start painting, make sure you've emptied your drawers and cabinets and removed the doors, drawers, and hardware. Using a mix of water and all-purpose cleaner, clean all the surfaces you want to paint. Next, easily repair any cracks with wood filler, then sand them smooth. Roughen up all surfaces with 120 grit sandpaper. Vacuum the dust off and wipe away any leftover with a lint-free cloth. Before you start priming, tape off the adjacent wall and countertop. It's prime time. The ideal temperature to use primer is over 10 degrees. You should also avoid priming in extreme heat. Begin by laying the doors flat. Apply the primer to the back side first. Wait until they're dry, then repeat the process on the front. Finally, give the dry primed surface a light scuff sanding and remove the dust. Now for the fun part. Apply your first coat of paint with a brush or roller. If your cabinets are wood, paint in the direction of the grain. Speed up this process by using a paint sprayer. Just remember to let one side dry before you do the other. Once dry, lightly scuff sand again. Paint will be dry to the touch in 1 to 2 hours, but we recommend waiting 12 hours to recoat. Whether you're brushing, rolling, or using a paint sprayer, it's time to apply the second coat. While the paint's still tacky, remove the tape. Once the paint is dry, you can reattach all the hardware, followed by your doors and drawers. You did it! With just some primer and paint, your kitchen cabinets look fresh and up to date. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more information, visit homehardware.ca.